Good morning, dear community. We start our live masterclass where we will analyze market together in live. I will analyze for you top coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Sui, BNB, Ripple, Toncoin, and Dogecoin. I will share with you ideas where it potentially would be good to take trades with clear ideas for stop loss, take profit. Many of you saw how our analysis is quite accurate, and that's a reason why you should watch till the end, because most of our plans you see that they played out. At this moment, share with me from 1 to 10 about audio quality. Also remember that I will reply to coins that you would like me to analyze in the second part of this analysis, because I already prepared a plan for you. That's why from 1 to 10 share audio video quality. Also write please where do you watching me right now, where are you from. And let's go. Good morning. 10 check. Yeah, the best would be if some of you would reply like this one. 10 from Czechia, Norway, good morning. UK, Estonia, Poland, awesome. We have whole European Union here. Portugal. Okay, let's start. It means Romania, yeah? We love people from Romania. Okay, Belgium. Let's start, as always, for a start. Let's work with BTC, because BTC is the most important. After that, let's go to other top coins. About BTC, at this moment, it played out biggest part of our plan with our community. Price bounced from value area low of this entire range. In Discord, I shared with our community this plan so many days ago. If some of you remember, on daily basis, I share in Discord where to take trade. When there was this absorption at value area low, that was my plan to take long into this high. After that, we saw how the price bounced. First target was to take this high of a range, as you can see, 99,400, 99,800. At this moment, BTC took this important key levels. And at this moment, really important question, will price hit the point of control of this higher range? Because often a beautiful point of control could play out as a powerful support resistance. That's why I like this one here. My apologies, this one. 101, 346 at this moment, key resistance. What about other stuff? Let's go and cover what's going on, because at this moment we have massive rise of open interest into high with down reaction. Honestly, there could be a situation that BTC might make a drop without taking that point of control, because quite significant trap. That's why, what's my plan? In the case of retest of this key zone, we might take short trade. Honestly, better would be if price right now would hit this key level 101, 300, and here it would be possible to take short with a target retest of anchored VWAP. Honestly, at this moment, target would be even higher. That's my plan. It is short-term plan for BTC. About would you like to hear what do we think on a bigger scale, my friends? Would you like to hear? Yes. Also would like to show you how our community members took this beautiful long plan on BTC. That's a reason. Have a look at this one. Some of our community members took this beautiful long from 93,200 to 99,700. About bigger scale, the most important question, will this uptrend go on? And the most important question, how that uptrend would go on? Because there could be, what would be my dream plan? My dream plan would be BTC, for example, take this point of control. After that, make some significant stop loss on big trap. And after that, some consolidation and uptrend would go on. This one would be my dream plan for continue this uptrend. Because I think until Donald Trump will be in office, market could be really calm. Because when he would come into office, there could be quite a lot of news that they could make Bitcoin reserve. They could change chairman or federal Fed, and he could start cutting interest rate, and all of this could make significant impact on the market, especially some news about it. That's why, once more, my dream plan, price takes this point of control, take stop losses, take liquidity from this area, and after that go on. Nearly the same stuff had happened here. Honestly, something like this. It is, I would say, dream plan. Price took high of a range. After that, they made significant liquidation at 50K, and after that, you can see a beautiful uptrend. Something like this, it would be just the best. That's why, once more, we pay attention to point of control of this 101. Could be a situation that BTC might make a drop without taking it. It's also possible. That's why I would wait to see what BTC would do with this open interest, because there's so big rise of open interest right now, and especially into high. You can see that most of this open interest entered this high, and what would be really good for us, for example, price reached at 103, open interest rise even bigger, and after that price start making some down structure. This would be the best signal that all of this volume is for short. Okay, that's about BTC. At this moment, you can ask your questions regarding BTC, because after that, let's go to Ethereum. Let's go to Ethereum after, if you have questions regarding BTC. Also with BTC, you should pay attention to what's going on with Bitcoin dominance, because if Bitcoin dominance would start dropping, that would be a signal for some altcoins that they could make significant rise. But if BTC stay in a range and altcoin BTC dominance dropping, that would be a signal that there could be significant alt season. Any chance BTC can go up, go above 108 direct? My friend, remember that trading, it is art of probabilities. What you say, it better to ask what probability of that scenario. It's possible, but what's better, to take a trade, for example, like this one, when price at low of a range and take long here, or right now? Because as you can see, I pay attention to this key zone 108, and I understand that there are a lot of liquidities, there are a lot of stop losses. If we would open liquidation heat map, you would see a lot of stop losses. Let me open it for you. Right now, as you can see, around 102, around 100. 102, 103 area, 107, 108, 108, 107. There are quite a lot of liquidations, potential liquidations. But I saw many times when price was a few ticks before significant liquidation and did reversal. That's why liquidation could be a good confirmation, but not a reason to take a trade. That's why about BTC, still, it would be better to consider a long trade with target 108 in the case of some pullback, because even why does it matter? Because if you would take trade right now for long, your risk to reward ratio would be, your stop loss must be at low of a range. In best case scenario, you can take 1 to 1.5 risk reward. It's horrible. Because even here, when I shared idea to our community to take long, I knew that potential target too high of a range, and that's at this moment 1 to 4 risk reward. You must take trades where you always need to remember that you must take trades where big probability and also big potential risk to reward ratio. Only in that case you will be happy and successful. That's why price can reach this area, but for me it would be better if there would be something like this. We have at this moment Anka Viva from this local structure. Price would take, for example, like local some stop loss hunt, and here some significant volume would appear. In that case, to take a trade with a target 108, it would be way, way better. My friend, did I give you full answer to BTC? I have Trust Wallet. BTC, please. What's the range of your volume profiles daily or weekly? About volume profile, we will cover in the second part of the stream. You never know will BTC go. What you do as a trader, you simply set a plan. What you do, you set alert, and if price reaches this key zone, yes, here we take long. I don't know will price be here, but I know if price reaches this key zone, it's a place where I would take long trade. That's how you. Do you think it's going to retest 101? That's my plan. If they test this area, it would be I would consider short here if there would be some local confirmation. What could be the best local confirmation? Let me show to you. It is the same plan as I shared on Ethereum with our community. How do you know that open interest rise on BTC is long or not shorts? Let's cover Ethereum plan, and based on that, you would understand how we can use open interest. Okay, friends, we finished with BTC. My summary. My dream plan, BTC takes the key zone. After that, BTC make a drop to test Anka VWAP or even take this significant liquidity pool. And after that, I expect uptrend continue. What about, let's go to Ethereum. Some of you asked me about open interest, and let's cover this example, how we use open interest on this Ethereum plan. Several days ago, I shared within our community this Ethereum plan. It was exactly here. It was exactly this one. On Ethereum, you can see Monday, 30th of December, I shared this plan to take long at one of this value, or this value around 300, or a lower key zone. You saw after that, you can see on Monday, I shared this update to take a trade at 3,320. Why here I gave this accuracy? And by the way, some of our community members took beautiful trades. Let me show to you a result of our community members. And you can see our people took beautiful trades on Ethereum. Some of them made really significant money. What was the reason here? Because we had powerful key zone on Ethereum. It was this significant volume profile area. And at low of that volume profile, there was massive open interest absorption. Here. Exactly into a low, there was this open interest acceleration, significant rise. And after that, you can see that this area became powerful support zone. And you can see how price accurately the beautiful rise from that. That's example for you how open interest can give to us a good confirmation. But open interest was not a reason why we took a trade. Because before you saw that my plan before was many days ago, or many days, 30, it was in the morning, 1309, Monday, and that open interest update, it was 1956. As you can see, a whole day passed. Because why I became so accurate here? Because there was massive open interest rise, and you can see into bottom, price did exactly opposite, did a significant rise from this area. Why does this matter for us? Because you always need to remember that market structure is the most important. Market makers use open interest as instrument to move the price. And what's major idea was there? With my team, we have simple strategy how we trade. For us, the most important it is market structure. If I understand that, for example, Ethereum did massive liquidation here, I know that in 90-80% cases after that there would be rise. And here in a plan you saw that I didn't know at what area I would take long, because you can see I had two areas where I would potentially take long. But when I saw significant rise of open interest at value area low, market structure, value area low of a range, I understand that here we have confirmation that this area at this moment is important. And if we take trade here, risk would be small, because in that case, stop loss was maybe 2%. What was the stop loss in that area? It was approximately 2% and reward in 4 times more. That's the example for you, how you build a plan. For a start, market structure. After that, in that market structure, I understand what would be my key zone. My key zone, it is below value area low. And if I have local confirmation, such as open interest, absorption, anything like that, that's just beautiful trade. That's why some of you would ask me, how do you know open interest rise long or short? Remember that there are always two sides of a trade. There are always buyers and sellers. You cannot open a trade, you cannot open long if there is no other side. The most important, who is stronger. That's why we use open interest only at powerful areas where we understand that there is no logic to continue drop or continue rise. For example, why here I was super bullish on Ethereum? Because price already did massive correction where was significant liquidation into a low. In most cases, that's a period when price do exactly significant rise after that. That's the reason why here I gave that plan to our community on Ethereum to take long. What I expect, friends, do you like when I explain to you why we share some plans within our community with such details? Because maybe it takes some time, but I need to know if you enjoy it. What about Ethereum the next? Right now, what's my plan? My plan, I would be happy if Ethereum at this moment could make some local range, take this key zone. There would be some stop loss hunt. And after that, I would be really happy to see uptrend continue. Ethereum, I think sooner or later there would be Ethereum season. And on Ethereum, we have massive rise of open interest since this low. And in most cases, Ethereum moves with such structure, as you can see, this one. Ethereum start a move, after that range, move, range, big stop loss hunt, after that range, continue. That's why at this moment it would be good if there would be a local range to take some local long into 3,800 area. This area at this moment, it is significant resistance for Ethereum. After that, this range, it is key support, 3,500, it is a key support, where I would look for some long. That's like, here is my major plan. Here could be potential local long. Here could be potential local short. And around 3,500, it is good to take some significant long, because if this range would hold, this range could become really powerful support for Ethereum. Same as over here, as you can see. What Ethereum did, this range above value area high, hold it, and price, you can see, continue beautiful rise. Same here, this range was a powerful support. That's why at this moment it is our plan for Ethereum. Fantastic product. Thank you, my friend. Hi, GTO. Other coins, for start, we analyze top coins, and only after that we go to some coins. How do you know that open interest rise on BTC is long on short? Once more, I shared with you that there are always two sides of a trade. Always, always. How you can buy something if no one sell? Once more, the most important, where buyers or sellers are stronger. Friends, how many of you understand that there are always two sides of a trade? If you open long, there always must be one short. Write plus in the chat if you understand it. Okay, let's go to other top coins. Let's go to Solana at this moment. What about Solana? Solana really interesting because Solana did so big rise. Honestly, I'm really sad because on Solana, I waited for this plan to take liquidity and take long. You can see within our community, I shared this plan on Solana so many days ago to take stop loss hunt. And after that, take long before 210 major target. You can see that Solana, why I shared that key zone, because it was the significant volume profile at high. And Solana, you can see the significant rise without taking this key zone that which I waited. That's example for you how sometimes price can go without taking liquidity. So many untaken levels. Right now, Solana, honestly, it's too late to take long right now because price exactly retested this point of control of this entire range. And honestly, I would be really happy if there would be some pullback on Solana. And maybe at point of control, it would be good to consider new long. At point of control, or previous value area low, I would consider new long trade. It is one of those key zones. That's why what's my dream plan for Solana? Price take higher liquidity. After that, price makes some pullback. And at one of these key zones, we can take significant long with targets to take even some of these highs. I wanted to say thank you. Last time you gave me entry on free for Ethereum, and I got my free. I'm so happy. That's example for you why you should wait for real is the most important key zones. Okay, that's about Solana. I will show soon, my friends, example difference between breakout and fake out. Let's go over to Ripple. What about Ripple? Right now about Ripple. Honestly, on Ripple, I waited for long to take long here. Honestly, I waited for long here. Ripple, as you can see, bounced before that. Right now, we are inside of this range, inside of this value. And if Ripple continue consolidating for at least a week, if price would be a week, it would be possible to take long for continue to take one of these highs. But I need bigger range. Why at this moment I wait for a bigger range? Because Ripple, we don't have, we have no confirmation right now for a trade. There is no significant volume rise, no open interest rise, anything like that. It's difficult. That's why at this moment I wait for confirmation by market structure. Some of you asked me about the difference between fake out and breakout. Again, let's cover here. We took beautiful short many days ago on Ripple. I remember that short trade. It was my trades for a previous month. Let me show to you my short trade on Ripple that I took here. You can see here, I considered that this breakup would be fake. Why here we took short trade, and I also shared that plan within our community. Quite a lot of people also took that trade with me. Why here? Because for you, the most important question were buyers or sellers stronger, and when they would become weaker. What you need to understand, imagine price moves up, and sooner or later, buyers become really weak. And when you understand when they become weak, breakout with often would end as a trap. The most important question were the same with sellers. Price, for example, did significant drop, and sooner or later you see some range, and price, instead of breaking, simply take low and go opposite. Because the most important question where is a point where sellers become weak. That's example for you with Ethereum. Why I gave the signal to our community to take long here. Because that's example for you when it's clear that breakdown would be fake. Because Ethereum already did significant drop. And most of the sellers, really aggressive sellers, they built their positions at high. And many of these sellers, they get out during liquidation. And there is no aggressive seller. Plus, there must be a lot of trap buyers for market maker to move price down. Because when market maker would like to move price down, they need to liquidate someone. And if there are a lot of long buyers here, they would do it really happy, with really joy. But when a lot of long buyers already got liquidated, they pushed price down by their liquidations. And there is no sell side liquidity to move price. That's why often it's a point where sellers weak and buyers only absorb and go against them to liquidate all of the sellers. Let's go to other coins before I remind to you, my friends. Let's go to other coins. Also remember that I will reply to all of your questions within a few minutes. Before, I would like to invite you. Remember that on daily basis, I share such trading plans with our community, and also you can become part of our community because we share signals, we share updates, and we trade into both directions. Example for you, this plan on Ethereum that I gave with our community. Sometimes I give plans, sometimes I share exactly when I take a trade. You can see like this one with clear stop loss, take profit. About other signals, you can see Bitcoin plan. Before we took beautiful Ripple trades. I remember that Ripple, it was really awesome signal. Sui, before Sui, as you can see. Before that, we took Ripple long at 230. It was exactly this signal. Before we traded other Ripple trades. Before we took, like as you can see, on the, we send signals when we can. Sometimes it could be one signal per week. Sometimes it could be 5 per day because it really depends what market would do. As you can see here, my Ethereum plan where to set stop loss, take profit. I tagged everyone. And after that, you can see what our students and our community members did. That's why what you do in description to this live, there would be a special link you open and fill the form and join us. Have it once more where you get it. You go to this stream, and there would be this link in description. It would be exactly this first one. You open this form and fill that form. And after that, my team will contact with you and help you to join us. And you will receive on daily basis clear trading plans to take trades and make money with us. Let's go to other coins. Let's accelerate a little bit. We did Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Ripple, Sui. Sui did massive rise. At this moment on Sui, we expect a pullback. Often price compensate this significant pump. Significant key zone right now. I think price will take it. It is this significant volume profile area. That's why around 530, I look for short with several targets. First target would be those highs. It is around 480. And second target, it would be before 440. That's why let's set key levels. 440 and 490. It is our key levels. Next one, BNB. BNB creates significant consolidation. And in the case of stop loss hunt into this key area, 690, 680, here I would look for long. With targets to take, of course, this high. It is 737 and this high 762. Next one, it is a Toncoin. Toncoin at this moment, we have significant drop in volume and open interest. I think on Toncoin there would be some consolidation. Especially if there would be some volume at value area low, it would be possible to take long here. It is around 545. Dogecoin. Dogecoin also did significant liquidation. It was this massive drop. It was, you can see, a significant liquidation drop. Right now, price retested point of control of this entire range. It is a beautiful resistance. And in a case, if Dogecoin would take higher high of this range, I would consider taking short at this range high. It is this area. It is 0.39 cents place for short, with a first target 0.35. What else? What are the plans I shared with our community? I would like to show you some additional all plans that I shared with my community. Sui, you can see we already shared with our Ethereum. Dogecoin, you can see yesterday I shared this plan with our community with clear stop loss take profit. We wait for confirmation right now. Who else? Solana also. Okay, that's it. That's plans. That's plans that I shared with you. At this moment, I will reply to 5 or 10 of your questions, and we'll choose 2 coins to analyze. Daniel, hello, man. I have filled the form like 5 times. Now I get. Can you please? You filled the form. Write, please, 4 last digits of your phone number. 4 last digits. I would send to my team to speak with you as fast as possible. What name you put? Did you write Daniel? And also, what name you wrote inside? Friends, tell me, please, do you like these plans? Do you have at this moment clear plan what to trade? right place that you understand what we are going to trade. Is fake out and a trap the same? Technically, they're really close to each other. What's the difference between fake out and a trap? A trap, it is when we have a clear rise of open interest and we understand that clearly here someone got trapped. Example for you, it was short that we took on Bitcoin on previous month. It was really beautiful short. Let me show to you. It was this Bitcoin short, and it was because of trap traders. You can see Bitcoin did significant rise, and we took short here. And by the way, I also shared a signal. My teammate shared a signal on BTC at that moment. Let me show to you. Let me show to you. Few seconds. Because we took beautiful shot, and I would like, what was the date here? Because here it was clear reason, 5th November 4. This one. We took a short here with our community. You can see here. What was really one of the most important reasons why we took short with our community, because there was a trap. When you have a trap, it is a clear rise of open interest. You can see here this massive rise of open interest. Most of it happened here at high. And often, if that open interest is a trapped buyers, price would go oppositely until they got liquidated, as it was here. That's why you can see this massive rise of open interest, and open interest continue rising. And here it was a moment when we took short. That's example for you of a trap. Because if there's a trap, someone must be trapped. Someone must be trapped. Without trap open interest, like it is not a trap. The same with Ethereum. When I shared this plan to our community, you can see it is absorption. What happened here? Aggressive sellers, you can see delta at bottom. Quite aggressive delta, rise of open interest. My apology. And price, what price did? Exactly opposite, rise. Same, negative delta, high open interest, and price did oppositely. That's absorption. That's trap. Sometimes price can do like this one. Even this was absorption, as you can see, at high of a range. Price took high of a range and did this absorption. Massive rise of open interest and reaction down. That's why, what's a clear difference between trap and fake out? When we have a trap, it is a clear rise of open interest. For example, we have some range, price tried to break down, you see rise of open interest, negative delta, because there must be sellers who got trapped if it is for a down move. But price do exactly opposite, and often it become powerful support. Only with rise of open interest. But sometimes there could be a situation, for example, price move, and there, for example, you think there would be breakup, but price do something like this and go oppositely. Sometimes there could be no rise of open interest and reversal, because simply buyers are weak and they cannot move a price anymore. Some of you ask me, open interest. I analyze open interest in coins only. In coins, especially on Velo, you can here you can get coins. At this moment, everything looks like BTC, as you can see, going down after this open interest rise. Maybe there would be even no test 101. Please Mana and VLD. About VLD, coin created this range, and only at range low it would be potentially good to consider any new long trade. It is around 210. Hello, can you show the background color on TradingView? Yes. How can I do it? How can I add it? Is it this? Okay, that's why since Sailor is buying and interest is increased, however, CME volume is increased. Still, we think BTC is going down. What do you mean going down? Well, I told at this moment, once more summary to all of you. At this moment, we are inside of this significant range. And until price broke this range, the best opportunities to take any trade would be around range boundaries. Like best long would be at range low. Same was here. I don't care what Sailor think or say. Price at any moment could be in a range for 8 months, and he can buy as much as he wants. Until price breakout, there would be so many opportunities for a trade. Okay. About SUI, a few minutes ago, I shared with you that here is our plan to take short at this key zone. Price already did significant rise, volume dropping, open interest nearly dropped, price accelerated. Often it's a signal that sooner or later there would be pullback, but still there must be good entry point. Why there is no significant correction for BTC? That's a healthy bull run. For correction, someone must sell a lot. Plus, a lot of people simply buy BTC and keep it on spot without any leverage. That's why there is no big pullback. Major reason to make a significant pullback to liquidate someone. And if there are a lot of buyers who absorb everything, there would be no significant pullback. I think BTC can repeat what gold did after ETF approval. Gold, if you open gold chart, let me open for you weekly on gold. I think BTC would repeat nearly the same as gold did. Approximately here in 2004, it was a period of ETF approval on gold. And what price did after that? Significant rise, significant rally. And after that, downtrend for 8 years. Like as big a rally would be, bigger downtrend could be after that. You can see that price peaked at August 2011, and price resumed only within 9 years. Price reached that area again within 9 years. It was in this downtrend. It reached bottom of downtrend within 4 years. Because you need to understand how balance works. If everyone who would like to buy already bought, there is no reason for more rise. Yuri, please attend this. I needed my trading. Man, if you need improve your trading, you can join our education programs. Okay, friends, I was happy to see all of you. Remind to you to join our community where we share clear signals, clear trading plans, where to take trade. Also, we do all updates that you need to become profitable. Example for you, same as it was with Ethereum, with Bitcoin, previous plans. You can see previous Ethereum plan where I share clearly where to take a trade, what would be a key zone, what was the reason. The same with Bitcoin. Same we do with other coins when there are quite a lot of interesting situations. We work with all other coins. You can see here. WorldCoin, Bitcoin, Ripple. You can see for us, it doesn't matter what direction of a market. We trade in both direction, up and down. You can see this one, high made. It has reached a resistance level, but there's not a WorldCoin, beautiful trade. APT, Ethereum previous trades. On previous month, we took so many good Ethereum trades. It was so amazing. Ripple, like for me, it doesn't matter what to trade. I trade when market shows to me opportunity. If market shows to me opportunity on Ripple, we will take Ripple. If market shows to me opportunity on Ethereum, we take Ethereum. That's why what you do once more, below this stream in description, you go to this stream, you open it, and there would be this link in description. You fill the form, and my team will help you to join our community and receiving such updates on daily basis. You choose your country. For example, you are from like Belgium. You write phone number, email. Make sure you wrote correct name and email, because in order for my team to connect to you, they need really good details. We never share your phone or email to someone else. And after that, you would start receiving really clear plans and signals that will help you make money. Please attend this issue with CME template you shared. The template keeps showing an error on ATA. That what I mean. How to join Discord, Yuri? My friend, once more, I shared with you. Open the link and fill the form. After that, when you buy, you join. My team will add you after you buy it. Speak with my team. They will help you to set up CME templates. Okay, my friends, have a good time. Wait for good opportunities. Set alerts. And have a good time. Happy to see all of you here. Bye.